Hey everyone. So, no turning today as I'm in Sydney. But I did last Friday go and pick up a jointer that I saw on Gumtree. For the Americans playing at home, it's the Australian version of Craigslist. Yeah, so it was... Yep, that's all fine, but it was actually being sold by Gosford Men's Shed. So I decided to do a little video on Gosford Men's Shed and Men's Shed in general, just because I think they're a really great part of the community. And yeah, just wanted to share with you guys, yeah, the jointer that I bought and Gosford Men's Shed. Yeah, I'd encourage you guys to go and support your local men's shed if you're in Australia, or the equivalent of whatever the Americans got. It's a really good yeah, it's a really good place for not so much fixing mental health, but helping out men with mental health. You know, that's basically why Men's Shed's built. It's for guys who are retired, people with mental health. Yeah, it's a way of escaping. That's why we woodwork, eh? Anyway, that's this week's video. Hey Larry.
Hello.
Take us for a tour of
Gosford Men's Shed.
Yeah.
Okay. So, thickness of here. Table saw. Planer. You can uncover him. Have a nice sander there for making breadboards and over here, got a pedestal drill, a couple of docking saws, and then same over here, same sander, docking saw, a couple of wood lathes, and we've got some more sanders up in the corner.
Yep.
And the table's just set up so that people can build their own projects or bring things in to recondition from home.
So what can people do to join Men's Shed?
Well, there's men's sheds everywhere in Australia. Nearly every suburb has a men's shed. They're basically cheap to join, but it's for men's health.
Yep.
It's people with depression, people who have finished work, who just need company of other men. That's where they're good.
Yep.
So we get a lot of depressives here, and they go home happy.
Yeah.
So it's a win-win.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, and they learn something.
Well, they can learn some woodworking skills. We've got a metal shop next door as well, so if they can't use the machine, we can teach them to use it, or somebody can run the machine for them.
Yeah, cool. Alright. Well, shall we go and have a look at the metal shed? Here we are in the metal shop.
Covered up only because it's keep the dust off it, but
a mill.
A little milling machine. Down here, a couple of metal lathes. A nice big sandblasting cabinet, so you can clean up your parts. And we've got a welding bay down the end. And the compressor, there's drills and grinders on this side of the shop. But it's set up so that people can just come in, bring their projects in. You can repair bikes if you want to repair bikes for the community. Some people clean up after other people.
Yeah.
And the men's shed's here for men's health, so you do what you want. You don't have to work.
Yep.
We have a electrical engineer in our shed. He sits here repairing electrical components. You can bring your things in to have them fixed, or and so only the cost of the parts. So somebody's lined up some parts here to be repaired.
Yeah, right. Very good service to the community.
Yeah, it's very good. Down this way. We've got a welding bay, so we can MIG weld, electric weld, plasma cut here. Take on jobs for the community. It's the community stage for a disabled group where they go out and put up a stage and put on pantomimes. So we're doing these stages up for them. Yeah. So we've got to raise our money. Most of our money we raise ourselves.
So if people want to donate, like to the men's shed, in particular this one, like where do they go for that?
Oh, Gosford Community Men's Shed. We're on a website. Got a web page. We're in the Gosford Showground car park, and yeah, they can donate. We take machines, bikes, equipment, money, whatever people want to donate. Great. If we can't use it, we pass it on to other sheds, and then we sell equipment to raise money. Yeah.
Yep. Which is why I'm here.
So this has taken us about 7 years so far to get to this stage, to get to have our own building and our own equipment.
Yep.
Yeah. So it's a lot of sausage sizzles and yeah, a lot of community work.
Yeah. But hey, you're here.
Yeah, but we've had as many as 80 members.
Yeah, right. What's your member total at the moment?
We're at 46. We lost a lot of members when we moved shed because they couldn't work here.
Yep.
So we lost a lot of members. We've taken 18 months to get this new shed built to this stage, and now we're starting to slowly get our members back. So we're up to 46, 47 at the moment.
Yep. Yeah. That's good. Well, let's go and have a look at the tool.
Yeah.
So I'm doing my bit, and I have just purchased, or I'm about to purchase, the tabletop jointer from Toolcraft.
Oh, there was a planer.
Yeah, jointer, planer. That's what it does.
Just throw it there.